and other droughts, we could see queues by okay in Mutare, and you just queue. And then after that, you are told the queue is dispersing before you get to the corner of the shop in order to see what's happening. We didn't see this season. This does not just happen. This is the President, His Excellency Dr. E.D. Mnangaba's leadership. That is normal, is leadership. Drought environment, that's leadership. And we ought to celebrate that. And we ought to highlight this, honorable ministers, wherever we go. The President had 137,000 metric tons of grain in his strategic grain reserve. Enough to feed every Zimbabwean who needs it until July this year, beyond the harvest. So these outages that are okay are a manifestation of our inability to plan the logistics seamlessly. This fundamental policy shift, where we must begin to show gratitude to the President for what he has done for the country, for all of us, in a difficult season. Importantly, that in a difficult year, the President has still managed to provide inputs for everyone who needs inputs in a difficult year. This is leadership par excellence. We will show gratitude to the President by contributing 10 kgs of their 2024-2025 harvest. Only 10 kgs Mukorokodo per household. Sabuku, the 35,000 of them, 35,000 villages, 15 kgs. Headmen and chiefs, only 20 kgs bucket. Vamose, half a bucket. Mushauka. Bucket rakazara kana uri mango. Taritsawo uri mango tazumbera mango. So these are the fundamental issues. These are cultural issues. It is in our culture to thank. And this is our way of doing so. So, honorable ministers, on this last point, I want you to lead in this.
Yes, we are very happy that this interactive meeting was carried out and was taking place here in Manicaland. Manicaland has benefited a lot, of course, agriculture being the backbone of our provincial economy. One of the takeaways is the fact that the business unit project that the President, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, is brought up, is doing well throughout the whole country, including here in Manicaland. Over 950 boreholes have been drilled under the presidential boreholes. 9,500 boreholes have been drilled under the presidential drilling borehole schemes. And we are happy that here in Manicaland, a lot of these boreholes have also been drilled, and the business units have been all equipped. About 121 of them have been drilled, put in place here in Manicaland, and of those, I can tell you about 8 of them are functioning well. And this is a project that is a game changer for our people here, and it's giving people a new way of living, making them business people and transforming lives. This is in line with the President's Vision 2030, and I can assure you with the way things are going with these rains that have come, and what we've done with our Pumbuza program here in Manicaland and throughout the whole country, this country is set to in the right direction.